Here on location in the lab today, talking about the bypass valves and connection points for a Clack WS1, in this case EE selection. The bypass valve that Clack has for its 1 inch and 1 1/4 inch valves. This is a nice feature because you don't have to install 3 different two-way valves to get this functionality. So in its current orientation, the inlet is facing straight going into the valve and the exit is going out. This is what we would call normal operation. The next orientation is diagnostic mode. So this is where water enters the system, and for diagnostics, this would turn off the water and nothing would pass downstream. The next orientation would be bypass orientation, where we're connecting these two together. And so water comes in and flows this way and goes out. So if you're working on this system, you can disconnect this valve from the system and pull off this softener if it needs to be rebedded or needs to be replaced, tank replacement, things like that, and you can allow service flow to your end user even if you don't have softened water. So that's bypass configuration. The last configuration would be for shutoff. If you don't want any water being sent downstream, you would leave this in the perpendicular to your pipe flow. This would turn off the water and nothing would pass downstream in this configuration. So there's a few different connection points on this WS1, which would be true of a lot of different softeners, but it'll look a little bit different here. The inlet is coming from here and it's got a molded arrow. So inlet, city water, well water, potable water, whatever's coming in goes in this way. The outlet connection, which is here with a molded arrow again, outward, goes off to your end user process, whether that's a steam generator, whether that is a humidifier, hot water tank, whatever that may be. Here's that connection. The next connection is for your brine tank connection. It's a push connect on this size of softener head, and you'd connect that right here. It's just a push connect tube that goes in. And the last physical water connection would be a drain connection. In this case, it's a tube connection, and this would be routed to a drain for its regeneration process.